LEGOLAND's Brick or Treat, their Halloween spectacular filled with delicious snacks, amazing shows, ride overlays, and of course, a brand new nighttime drone show. They gave us one of these maps which shows all the information. Brick or Treat runs from September 13th all the way through October 27th, typically on Saturdays, but then they start adding in Saturday and Sundays. They have 7 candy stations that open from 2 to 7, and the candy is really, really good here. They still do the water show, but new is the Monsters Skyskytacular at 7:45. Which is a Brick or Treat exclusive aerial show featuring drones and fireworks. They have all of the meet and greets with all the characters, plus the Great Monster Chase in 4D. They do overlays on some of the rides like the Monster Party Carousel. You can meet characters like Brickbeard and the Witch, the Mummy, plus how can you forget Wolf Guy and Squarefoot. One thing that's really epic of Brick or Treat and when you do a media event here for Legoland is they hook it up with a treat sampler, which has all 7 of the new foods to try, which I'm very, very excited. We're gonna grab the Monster Dog first. The Monster Dog is $32.99. It is a 2-foot hot dog topped with fried buffalo chicken dip, house-made buttermilk ranch, blue cheese crumbles, green onion, and celery. It can be found over here at the Dragon's Den. For comparison, the regular Prince Dog is $9.79, or the loaded mac and cheese dog is $11.99. They also have corn dog nuggets. Holy cow, this thing is absolutely massive. It's like as big as the sign. The sign is huge, this thing is larger. Look at all that fried mozzarella on top, or no, it's like fried buffalo chicken dip, blue cheese, oh my God, this thing is massive. Look at the size of this hot dog. I don't even know if you could call it a hot dog at this point. It's got the fried buffalo cheese on top. This thing is amazingly shareable. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking $32.99 is a lot. This is enough for 4 to 5 people easily to eat. So, and considering like a hot dog's like $12, this is a more economical option, especially if you all like blue cheese, buffalo dip, a great hot dog, good roll. That little crunch that you get from the celery is great. It is messy, but again, you're not gonna eat it like I am, just holding it up like a massive thing. You're gonna cut this thing up and make it more after you take a couple pictures. This is so fun. I love this. This is a killer snack. Potion number 9 shake for $14.29. Purple cookies and cream shake with gummy worms, eyes, green whipped cream topping with Halloween sprinkles in a souvenir jar, which can be found over here at Kingdom Cone. Wow, this shake looks crazy. Look at the gummy worms on top. It's got like a gummy eyeball and lots of that icing. We got it. It's delicious cookies and cream. Hang on, I gotta try the icing though. I always like their icing because it's like a whipped buttercream. You don't expect it on a milkshake, but refreshing. Then you got the sour candies. This is awesome. And best part, you get to keep the cup.
That's ghoulishly great. I am your host and DJ today, and I want to see your best dance moves. So let's get this chillingly cool party started.
Sweet. Ooh.
You supposed to be in school. That was like school uniforms. Like us, right? Now, what spells do you know? What does that do? Is that American? I've also never heard of that. What does that spell do? It makes fly! I would love that! Oh wait, we're not allowed to fly during the daytime. We can only fly at night because our eyes are better during that time. So maybe we'll meet up later.
Maybe if we get the glasses like that, then we could fly.
That's great. Yes. Did you get them at the Target?
I hate to toot my own horn, but I am dang good at Ninjago. Look at the top score. That's me. 406. Look, there's Mel and I. The Mummy Madness waffles for $10.59. Green waffle sticks filled with chocolate hazelnut cream topped with sprinkles from the grave. Ooh. These can be found over at the Funnel Cake Factory. These things are so stinking adorable. Look how cute they are. Little characters, little bubby waffles. I love that. All right, we've got, look at, I don't want to eat them. He's so cute. Oh, his eyeballs are hard. Warning, you might break your teeth on their eyes. It is a soft waffle with a little crisp on the outside, little sweet, and then it is filled with that hazelnut. And man, oh man, the sweetness levels there, they're perfectly heated. Takes a little bit, but I think like you hit them with the Oreo crumble. Legoland doesn't miss. They really don't. It's really hard for them. The chefs here are unbelievable. Another killer snack, and they're adorable. This is so cool. They even change up the Lego mini city, and they have little ghosts everywhere. Little behind the scenes, they're setting up all the drones over here for the late night show. So that's gonna be over here where the fireworks and the new drone portion comes from. So they're gonna launch them from here. That is so cool. Look how many there are. Hi, mad scientists. How are you? How's that? How are the experiments going? They're lovely? Wonderful. I'm glad it's been good. All right, Chef Jose, it's time to talk about the monster dog. What were we thinking, dude? That thing is massive.
I don't know what we were thinking. I just, that we wanted to do something different, something that other attractions don't have, something that family could share. So we decided to come up with this. It's a homemade buffalo chicken dish that we bred in house, we deep fry, fresh to order, and then put it in our custom-made hot dog bun with 2 foot-long hot dogs and some toppings.
Let me just tell you, we got it and it was delicious and amazing. I loved it. Very shareable too. It was awesome. You guys nailed it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Then you get to build for their pumpkin patch. You can put together your own type of pumpkin. They give you all the fixings that you need. And then they also have these great collectible pop badges. We'll put them up here and built this little pumpkin patch. Hi, Lego Witch. Are you enjoying the brick or treat so far? Yeah, there's lots of spells. I love it. Love it. Over at Granny's Apple Fries, they have the new Scarecrow's Caramel Crunch. Salted caramel soft serve atop warm apple fries topped with crushed pretzels and harvest sprinkles for $17.99. Comes with this fun little bowl too. Salted caramel with pretzels. Oh, it's so cold. Nice though. Salted caramel and pretzel with the salt, like the crunchiness, I'm into it. Always been a fan of the apple fries. I think this is a winner because you get a lot of caramel. It is sweet, but then that salt comes in there. Have you even been to Legoland, Florida, if you haven't gotten apple fries? Like, that's sacrilege. And the only way to get it is in a sundae. Get this, get the vanilla. I don't care how you do it. Get yourself a fun little cereal bowl out of it as well as a souvenir. Killer snack. At Legoland Coffee Co., they have the all bat, no bite delight. $12.99, a bat-shaped chocolate-covered apple with edible wings, ears, and candy eyes. I lost my little wing on my little bat. He's got like crazy googly eyes too. Look at that thing. There's a giant thick layer of chocolate on this thing. And trying to cut a candy apple with a plastic fork, doing my best. Should be a Granny Smith in here if I could get to that. Ah! Come on, apple. I'm almost there. Oh God, this is... I can tell you, this is... I just bite it. How are you... Chocolate's good. It's like modeling chocolate, and then you get like a fondant almost for the ears. I think I got a slice coming now. There we go. Good things come to those who wait, or are patient, or saw with a knife forever. Granny Smith, a little tart. Chocolate blends nicely. Chocolate's more of like a dark chocolate. I bet my teeth are like black. Are they black?
A little bit.
A little bit black? Yeah. Very cute. Very fun. If you like candy apples, this is your thing. Not my thing. Very hard to eat. I wish they would cut it for you. I think I would like it a lot more if they cut it, but it wouldn't be adorable then. So for me,
sadly, this snack gets DX'd.
The entire kingdom section changes to creatures of the kingdom, and they get this Lord Vampyre overhaul
that shows all these spider webs and brick or treat up at the front. And I love these vampire bat banners, all the spider webs. New this year is a vampire hearse that was 280,000 bricks, over 2,400 hours to build. This thing is absolutely massive and amazing. I mean, look at the detailing on the motor. I love the fangs up at the front. Look at the bones going on the motor. Look at the guy who's driving. He's got like a skeleton in there. And then the coolest part is the back. It has more fangs. The vampire hearse is awesome. Oh, it's got underglow too. It's got purple and green. These awesome meet and greets. They're so fun and immersive with minifigs. Spider Lady, can I tell you, I love the whole get up, the outfit, the webs in your hair. Stop. I know. I'm not trying to make you blush, but. Next up is the Roaring Wicked Chicken. For $18.99, you get flaming hot Cheetos, chicken sandwich with pepper jack queso, crumbled hot Cheetos, lettuce tomato on a black bun. Fun fact, the black bun is done by using a charcoal infused bun from a local bakery right here in Winter Garden. I'm very excited. I'm starving. And this flaming hot Cheeto crust. You get the crispy, crunchy, moist chicken coupled with that hot Cheeto dust, lettuce, tomato. The bun may look scary. This is not scary at all. This is exactly what you would think any other bun would look. It's not dyed. This is activated charcoal, slightly different. Doesn't add any kind of flavor or texture either. It's still pillowy soft. These are made locally. This is a killer sandwich. Firehouse Ice Cream has the Pumpkin Patch Bliss for $13. Pumpkin ice cream drizzled with caramel sauce, pumpkin sprinkles, toffee crumbles, and a toffee chocolate cookie. This thing's insane, dude. Like I keep on reading this. It's just insane. Always uses this like crazy whipped cream on top here. It's one of my favorite whipped creams because it's not like from a can, it's from a bag, and it's so thick and it's like rich whipped. It's not buttercream, but it's not icing. It's more towards, I don't know. It's like an awesome Cool Whip. Ooh. The combination of the creamy and then that spicy you get, so whipped cream, creamy, spicy ice cream, like lots of cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, crunchy sprinkles. Oh my God, look at this toffee chocolate chip. There's so much going on, I'm overwhelmed. The toffee's good, chocolate chip, it's not hard, it's a chewy cookie. This is awesome. This is another killer snack. They have amazing shows here. The UnbeLEAFable Halloween Night has one of my favorite monsters, the plant monster.
I think it might. The quite unbelievable Halloween night.
Eat! Okay. Well, this is the last time. You almost drank the entire potion? Okay. Well, open up.
Well, go ahead, open it.
Okay. Wait! Why are you screaming? Go back!
How did this happen?
Why would I know?
Stop chasing us! I'm not chasing you!
Get out of here!
Was a one-time one-bud walking minifigure eater. Sure looks strange to me.
Brand new this year is the MONSTER SKYTACULAR, which is a combination both fireworks and drone show. So they have two different seating areas. One, you can go over here in the lawn, or you can sit over here in the bleachers, which it looks like they're gonna have a little show over here as well.
Looks like we still have the whole runway to ourselves. Oh yes, it's so pretty out here. Oh, well, hi everybody.
You can see they are calibrating, and the drones are all the way up there. Let's see if we can zoom in here. See that drone? Man, that was so much fun. I gotta admit, that drone show completely reimagines the way that they do Brick or Treat's finale. The amazing candy, meet and greets, ride overlays, the impeccable food, so delicious, and so many different flavor options and totally shareable. Man, thank you so much, Legoland Florida, for having us out for Monster Party Brick or Treat. And if you wanna enjoy a little bit more spooky fun for your family, check out this video right here.